Welcome back to my channel Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about network analysis. Let me explain some basic definitions. Network analysis is a technique which determines the various sequences of jobs concerning a project and project completion time. Network diagram. It is the diagrammatic representation of a given project consisting of several activities. Project. Project is the combination of the interrelated activities. The popular methods of network analysis are CPM, critical path method, PERT, program evaluation and review technique. Next one, events. This is the beginning and ending points of activities. Events are represented by circles. The other name of events are nodes. Activity. This is nothing but an individual operation which consumes time or money. The activity is represented by a straight line with an arrow indicating the direction of progress of the project. The circle one we call it as nodes. First one is initial node and the second one is terminal node. 1, 2 is the activity. 6 is the duration of this particular activity. A path of the network is the sequence of activities starting from the initial node to the terminal node. Critical path. The path that takes longest duration is called critical path. Project duration. The duration of the critical path we call it as project duration. That is sum of the duration of the activities along the critical path. Let me explain the network diagram with a simple example. Draw the network for the following project. Also find critical path and project duration. Here activity and the corresponding duration is given. We have to find the project duration for this particular problem. First we have to draw the network diagram. First activity is 1 to 2. The initial node is 1. Connect these two nodes by a straight line. For activity 1 to 2, the duration is 4. Next activity is 1 to 3. The duration for 1 to 3 is 2. Next activity is 1 to 4. This is node 4. For the activity 1 to 4, duration is 10. Next activity is 2 to 5. This is node 5. Put an arrow mark like this. The duration for the activity 2 to 5 is 12. Next activity is 3 to 5. You connect the node 3 and 5. The duration for the activity 3 to 5 is 6. Next activity is 2 to 6. This is node 6. For the activity 2 to 6, the duration is 12. Next activity is 5 to 6. Connect node 5 and node 6. The duration for 5 to 6 is 9. Next activity is 4 to 6. Connect node 4 and node 6. 4 to 6, duration is 8. In the given problem, 1 is the initial node. From 1 you have to draw 2, 3 and 4. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. From node 2 you have two activities. One is 2 to 6, another one is 2 to 5. From node 3 you have only one node, that is 3 to 5. From node 4 single node, that is 4 to 6. Node 5 again single node, that is 5 to 6. The duration for each activity is given in the problem. Next we have to find the critical path and project duration. You have to write all the possible paths from the network diagram. The first possibility is 1 to 2, 2 to 6. For 1 to 2, the duration is 4. 2 to 6, duration is 12. So the first possible path is 1 to 2, 2 to 6. For 1 to 2, the duration is 4. For 2 to 6, the duration is 12. Total duration is 16 for the first path. The second possibility is 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6. For 1 to 2, the duration is 4. 2 to 5 duration is 12, 5 to 6 duration is 9. The second path is 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6. For 1 to 2 the duration is 4, 2 to 5 duration is 12 and 5 to 6 duration is 9. So the total is 25. The next possible path is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. The duration for 1 to 3 is 2, 3 to 5 is 6 and 5 to 6 is 9. The third possible path is 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6. The duration for that particular path is 1 to 3, the duration is 2, 3 to 5, duration is 6 and 5 to 6, the duration is 9. So the total duration is 17. The next possible path is 1 to 4, 4 to 6. 1 to 4, duration is 10, 4 to 6, duration is 8. The fourth possible path is 1 to 4, 4 to 6. For 1 to 4, the duration is 10, 4 to 6, the duration is 8. So the total duration for that particular path is 18. These are the possible paths and the corresponding duration for the given problem. From the duration, you have to select the maximum value. Here the maximum value is 25. Critical path is nothing but the longest duration. Here the longest duration is 25. So the corresponding path 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6 is the critical path. The critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 5 and 5 to 6. The project duration is 25 weeks. This is the simplest way of finding the critical path for the given project. Here, based on the given activity, you have to draw the network diagram. After that, from the duration, you have to select the maximum value. The longest duration decides the critical path. Critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6. Project duration is 25 weeks. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.